road again, going places that I've never been.
Hi again, this is Martin with your RV toilet. There's a couple things to remember about the toilet. First thing is that it is not a residential toilet, so it works a lot different than the toilet. It does not have a flushing system. It does have just a drain into the waste tank. So because it doesn't have a flushing system, you have to remember a couple of things. First thing is that when you flush it, you're going to have a couple of different options. This particular toilet has a foot pedal. I don't know if you can see it with my right foot, where you depress that pedal in order to bring water into the toilet. Others will have a lever on the side of the toilet, usually on this side right here, and you'll use that. They come in two stages. If you just press that lever part way, like let's say halfway, it's going to put water into the tank, just like you see there. And you can even hear the water pump. If you depress the pedal all the way, then it will open the valve and the waste and the water will drain down the pipe. That's how the toilet works. A couple of helpful things to remember is that it's very easy to plug the toilet up because there's no suction action or no flushing action. So for that reason, you have to remember to not put any food or wet wipes or trash or anything in the toilet other than the waste that's normally put there. In addition to that, you need to use a lot of water to flush the waste all the way through the pipes down into the waste tank. So you have to be generous with the water. So after you've flushed it down, just keep that lever down for a minute and let the water keep on running to flush it down the tank. And then you'll be in good shape. Those are the two main things to remember about your toilet. Number one, it's easy to plug, so don't put any food or trash or wet wipes down there. And number two, give it plenty of water to flush all your waste all the way down into the tank. We're going to talk a little bit about the shower. It's a couple of good things to remember about it. First thing is that the shower door usually is a sliding door, so make sure that you have it latched down when you travel. Because if you don't, that's going to be popping back and forth as the motorhome moves and the door may come off the track and it may damage the door. So make sure you have it latched in before you take off. Second thing is when you're using the shower, remember that the shower will take a lot of water, consume a lot of water, so it will drain your fresh water and then it will also fill up your gray water tank. So you do want to conserve that water when you're using the shower. First thing to remember is that it's going to have a hot and cold water control on the wall here, which is not a problem. But when you're actually taking your shower, you want to use or be a military type shower. By that I mean that you will wet yourself down, turn the water off, soap and lather yourself up, turn the water back on and rinse yourself off. That will help you conserve the water. The best way to do that is here at the hand control. Right on the back of the hand control, you can turn the water on and off. That'll be a lot better way to conserve the water rather than using the individual hot and cold water control knobs on the fixture. So that should do it for the shower portion. Thanks again. This is Martin from Expedition Motorhomes.
Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again.